Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to lock your incognito mode or incognito tab in your Chrome app on Android. For that, open the incognito first and then tap on this three dot option, go to settings, and within the settings if you go to the privacy and security, you have this toggle switch to enable or disable the incognito mode. Just simply enable this toggle, which will ask you for biometric authentication or the passcode that you have currently set. Once it is done, you close the Chrome browser and again access the incognito mode. It will ask you to unlock the incognito mode. You can just tap on unlock incognito, verify yourself, and the incognito mode will be accessible. Now if you want to disable the lock, what you can do is again go back to the settings and go to privacy and security and turn off this toggle, verify yourself, and the incognito lock will be disabled. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.